Karbi Anglong district and its adjoining districts are solely dependent on Difu Medical College and Hospital for their treatment. But non-availability of free medicines transcend the total medicines available at the hospital pharmacy. It was reported that the condition of Difu Medical College and Hospital is an inadequate state, both internally and externally. It had caused a lot of trouble to the patients as well as the guardian and attendants of the patients. So, to get the actual and factual report from the ground, our correspondent had paid a visit to DMCH on Friday. In order to maintain a clean and hygiene living environment, the government of India had launched a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to ensure cleanliness in every site. But when our correspondent visited the ground, it was shocking to learn that the reports pouring from the various sources turned out to be true. The premises were littered with plastics. Water lodging was seen at some blocks, due to which the air at the premises were contaminated.
Karbi live team pen ladak jesmet nong nam kacha thang klong ni hang ni jang bom pen nong nam kacha thang klong lawang so Difu Medical College along sidolo Difu Medical College along lani pi lawang so ladak ke jesmet by ke mirabari la poson si alang litum drainage system se tami ke semar pon tami mirabari te akela mo ladak ke ter ki air pen chenglo la poson si dak ke ter ki air flow te ladak ke ajala ke sus tami nilo ladak pen si na labang so drain labang so landfill pot ke kathai beda jadi si non nilisita mi karja ang ni mang hok pen dune.
It is notable that the old healthcare center at Difu, popularly known as Difu Civil Hospital, was awarded as the cleanliest and best civil hospital performing at the state. But right after the old healthcare center was demolished and the DMCH started to function, the legacy of being the cleanliest and best civil hospital seems to be diminishing. So far, no sign of hygiene and cleanliness could be seen.
Guwahati Medical College punon, Dibrugarh Medical College pustami do hadak stame aprang man langdam pulote Difu rong sopi hello asamang rong ke Difu Civil Hospital ke dubom Difu Civil Hospital hello kangjang nai kang thir nai ke minai pusi nong nam stame long puno lape hadak ke meu pusi penangana aratum chini namu sitame Difu Medical College non included pen kopi pusi non anda labang so dim non ada la person si non ke ku parna mali da ke so tum ke che mang pulote lang itum bathroom se tame lang facilities apor te pen lang long le la person si lang itum penangana ke so.
The guardians and attendants of the patient admitted at the hospital, while speaking to us, appeals the authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to give them a helping hand, as they had informed that the authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council often extends their helping hand to the ailing patients coming from various parts of the district for their treatment. Looking at the current scenario of Difu Medical College and Hospital, with this contaminated air, loads, sewage water at the premises, unhygienic lavatories and litters all around, there is a possible chance of contracting new sickness instead of being healed at a hospital. Therefore, the DMCH is in need of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to intervene into this matter and also review the legacy of once being the cleanliest and best healthcare center of the state. Bikram Taran's report from Difu for Karbi Anglong Live.